This is Liv. She's a CEO, which means she has a lot on her plate. And she just found out that there's an urgent customer escalation, and it needs to be addressed on her flight. Today. This is dispatch. Liv's assistant notifies them of Liv's connectivity needs for her flight. She's got to be able to respond to emails, and she also wants to watch her team play some soccer. So dispatch finds the best route based on weather, crew, and connectivity needs. Using Honeywell Forge, they schedule the flight and file the flight plan. Dispatch sends that information to the chief pilot. Then, the director of maintenance gets notified of the change in itinerary. They check maintenance to make sure the aircraft is good to go for the new flight plan. Next, the flight ops director verifies there are no scheduling conflicts and makes sure that data control is enabled to meet all the connectivity needs. Then, the director of maintenance uses Honeywell Forge to make sure there's enough data allocated so Liv avoids any buffering issues. Dispatch sends the flight plan to the crew who are positioning for her flight. Time for the flight. The director of maintenance sees that the route will go over water and verifies that concurrent connections are enabled on the Honeywell router. Now, the pilot gets pre-departure clearance to confirm the route is approved. It's time for takeoff. Liv starts her work on the plane, calling customers, responding to emails, and of course getting ready for the big game. While in the air, the pilots use the EFB to keep an eye on weather. They see a weather pattern that could impact the quality of flight. The co-pilot finds an alternative route. Time to let the team on the ground know. No matter where he is, the director of maintenance gets a notification from the pilot. He forwards it to his team. They get the alert and prepare the backup system to make sure Liv doesn't lose connectivity. Next, dispatch gets notified that they're good to reroute. The pilot requests and receives approval from ATC. They're good to go. And while all this is happening, Liv is still getting her work done, uninterrupted. The flight lands and flight ops gets an alert that it landed on schedule. Liv's team won, her emails were sent, and her customer is happy. Mission accomplished. All because of the connectivity of Honeywell Forge, solutions for business aviation.